Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to change email of Apple ID. It is a very simple way. First of all, please guys open setting app. Now tap on this icon. Now tap on name, phone number and email. Now tap on it. Is a verifying. Now enter the password. I entered the password. Tap on OK. And guys wait a few seconds only. Guys, now you can change your email from here. Now tap on edit button. Now tap on add email and now tap on add an email address. Now enter the email you want to add. I entered this email. You can see I entered the email. Now tap on next icon. Wait a few seconds. Now enter verification code. He sent your email address. I received verification code. You can see my verification code here. Now I am adding verification code in this area. You can see I entered the verification code. My email address has been added successfully. You can see if you want to remove first email address from your Apple ID, it's a very simple way, guys. Now tap on setting icon. Now again tap on name, change and phone number. And now tap on edit icon. Now tap on minus button. You want to remove email from here. I remove this email KHK. Now tap on here. Now tap on delete. Now tap on remove. You can see my email has been removed. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.